I'm Spencer Fox. I'm coming from Chicago, Illinois, and I went to undergrad at Rose-Hulman Institute of Technology, and I majored in applied biology, and I'll be studying for my PhD in evolutionary biology at UT Austin next year. The application to my undergraduate institution was fairly simple. There wasn't even an essay, actually, so I just had to send in my scores. Rose-Hulman's application is pretty simple, and then other undergrad institutions I applied to, there are more complicated process where you have to write essays and get some recommendations from from teachers, I guess, from high school. But for my graduate program, it was a very extensive application. I had to take the GRE. I had to have 3 recommendations from professors that I've done research with, and then I had to submit GPA and transcripts from my current institution, and then I had to submit a personal statement as well. Well, the biggest thing I've seen actually is it's quite similar, the type of research that we do in Belgium compared with what I've been doing in America, and that there's large collaborations with many different international people. The biggest difference in Belgium is that you're actually interacting with these international people face to face, and so you get a lot of different cultures interacting, and it's interesting to see how the different cultures come with different ideas for research projects. I think Austin is kind of a place in itself, and so it's very different from a lot of other places. Large music scene, lots of college students, and so from Brussels it's pretty different because it's not as much of a large business city, but the city I'm living in, Leuven, is actually more of a college town, and so I would compare it pretty close to Austin. There's lots of young people that like just kind of hanging out outside and relaxing.